Hi everyone. So last class we have studied eigenvalues, eigenvectors and model matrix. Let's see the diagonalization. Diagonalization means what? So you know that M inverse AM, if you do that you will get the what diagonal matrix. Okay. So here whatever A matrix is there, we have to convert it into what diagonal matrix. A transfer to diagonal matrix. So we call it is a diagonalization technique. So it is what diagonalization method. If they ask in the question, if they ask do the diagonalization, transfer A matrix into diagonal matrix, you go through the same, that is M inverse AM. Okay. See here, consider here whatever they were done the non-uniqueness theorem, same concept, non-uniqueness theorem is repeated here. We are considering state model x dot and y and substitute here x is equal to m into z. Okay, where x dot is the what m into z dot, right? So then multiply first equation by the m inverse and replace the term by a cap, b cap and c cap. Whatever are done in the non-uniqueness theorem, same in the dimension same we are going to do. Right, see here we are substituting m into z in the equation and multiply the first equation by the m inverse, because I have to remove this m term, so I am multiplying m inverse, right? So next is what m inverse m becomes what 1, therefore z dot is equal to, you will get m inverse am and m inverse b and here cm. Okay, so I am considering m inverse am is the what non-uniqueness theorem we have done. This is the what a cap and this is what b cap and cm is what c cap. Okay, see, but in this diagonalization method, instead of a cap, b cap, c cap, they have taken here m inverse am. What you got in the previous problem, m inverse am means the diagonal matrix. So this is the what diagonal matrix. So here replaced by the diagonal. Okay, this symbol means diagonal matrix. M inverse B is what? B variation or B cap. Okay, Cm is equal to what? C cap. Okay, substitute here, and this is what transferring A matrix. So state model andre enittu x dot is equal to Ax plus Bu with. Okay, here Z dot is equal to, instead of A matrix you got here diagonal matrix. So this is the what this called is transferring A matrix into diagonal matrix. So we call it is a diagonalization of the matrix. So in the question, instead of asking find the eigenvalues, eigenvectors, model matrix, if they ask transfer into canonical model transfer ಮಾಡಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ m inverse am is equal to diagonal matrix ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ B variation or B cap is equal to m inverse B ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. C cap or C variation is equal to Cm ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So whatever you are getting ABC matrix here, substitute in the z dot and y. This is the what canonical form. Okay, see, for this we need what m. Okay, we need m model matrix. So model matrix ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Okay, ABC matrix transfer ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ model matrix ಬೇಕು. Therefore for the finding the model matrix I need eigenvectors, that is m1 m2 m3. For that I need eigenvalues. So as usual procedure, first you characteristic equation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, next from that eigenvalues, then for each eigenvalues one eigenvector. Next from the eigenvector find the model matrix. After the model matrix find the diagonal matrix B variation and C variation, right? See here we have to see the one problem here. They have given here state model x dot is equal to Ax plus Bu, A matrix, B matrix, and also they have given C matrix, right? So here they solved here considering ABC matrix. Okay, the first step is what? Characteristic equation. Lambda I minus A determinant is equal to 0. So here we are getting lambda cube plus 6 lambda square plus 11 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0, right? So here lambda cube is there, order of the equation, order of the this equation is 3, hence there are 3 eigenvalues exist in this equation. Therefore use the calculator, find the eigenvalues lambda plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, therefore lambda equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, all three values are different. There is no repeated here, all eigenvalues are different. So for the first eigenvalues find the eigenvector, next for the eigenvector second one, and for the third one eigenvector. So first consider the first eigenvalues, that is lambda 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore replace lambda by lambda 1 I minus A. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ -1 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ -1 ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. So from this matrix considering first row, consider first row cofactor C11, C12, C13. Okay, so arrange it in the column that is the first eigen vector C11, C12, C13. First to minor madri, minor the sign change madri, minor sign plus minus plus madidra you will get cofactor. Is it clear? So minor, after that sign change you will get the cofactors, right? Next, for the lambda 2 second eigenvalue -2, similarly you have to do the lambda 2 value substitute here -2, you will get the matrix cofactor of the first row, cofactor of the first row, then arrange it in the column. Okay, so for the third eigenvalue lambda 3 equal to -3, this is matrix and cofactor for the first row cofactor column arrange matrix. So this is what the third eigen vector. Okay, next model matrix equal to arrange all three m1, m2, m3. First column is m1, second column is m2, third column is m3. So this is the what model matrix 3 cross 3 because A matrix is also 3 cross 3 order. So this is also 3 cross 3 ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನಾನಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್, ಸಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಎಮ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಎಮ್. ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್. ಎಮ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಎಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಐಗನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಬಿ. ಎಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್, ಡೂ ಎಮ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಯೂಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ for the multiplication. No need to go all these steps. Okay, because it takes time also and procedure also long procedure. So B variation M inverse B, using calculator you will get -2, 3 and -1. C variation is equal to C into M, you will get, use the calculator, you will get 1 1 1. So substitute A B C different matrix we got here now. Z dot is equal to diagonal B variation, Y is equal to C variation. Here there is D matrix is 0, so there is no D matrix here, right?